How to turn off Spotify notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the Spotify app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you use a Spotify application quite often and then you receive notifications that maybe you don't want to get for the Spotify application, what do you do if you want to turn off notifications? Well, if you want to turn off notifications for Spotify, go ahead and then make sure to launch settings. Then just go to the option called notifications. Under notification style, you'll find a list of all these apps where you want to simply look for the Spotify application here and then tap on it. Here you can see notifications is allowed, so turn off the toggle next to notifications and you will not receive notifications from Spotify. Just for a bonus tip, I would also like you to scroll upwards and then you'll find series suggestions, tap on it and just look for the Spotify app here as well. And then just turn off the toggle next to the Spotify application in this case. So turn off the toggle next to Spotify app and you will no longer receive any notifications from Spotify. This way you can turn off Spotify notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.